According to a recent study, basic Wi-Fi routers may be used to detect and recognize human poses and orientations as well as clearly map their bodies in 3D. Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University were also able to produce full-body photographs of people using AI neural networks and deep learning. This proof of concept would revolutionize a variety of industries, including security, gaming, VR, and healthcare. It would also outperform conventional RBG sensors, LiDAR, and radar technology and solve problems with conventional cameras, such as dim lighting or simple obstructions like furniture covering a camera lens. According to researchers, it would also be far cheaper and use less energy than the latter. This revelation raises a number of possible privacy concerns, though. One's poses and motions could be observed without their knowledge or agreement, even through walls, if the technology becomes widely used. Researchers placed a $50 TP-Link Archer A7AC1750 Wi-Fi router in a room with multiple individuals and used 3 Wi-Fi transmitters, such as those on that router, to successfully create wireframe images of those spotted in the room. Researchers have developed algorithms that use artificial intelligence to produce 3D images from Wi-Fi signals that reflect off of humans. Technically speaking, researchers found human interference signals by analyzing the Wi-Fi signal's amplitude and phase, and then they let AI systems create an image. The preprint brief for the study states, "The results show that our model can predict the dense pose of numerous participants using Wi-Fi signals as the only input, with performance equivalent to image-based approaches." Facebook uses a technology called DensePose, created by Meta Platforms Incorporated, to create 3D images of people using a flat RGB image rather than Wi-Fi radio signals as is done in this example. According to the research article, Wi-Fi perception will allay privacy worries that arise when conventional sensors like cameras are utilized in private settings. In some circumstances, researchers claimed, "We believe that Wi-Fi signals can serve as a ubiquitous substitute for RGB visuals for human sensing. Additionally, they safeguard people's privacy and the necessary equipment is reasonably priced." In fact, Wi-Fi is currently present in the majority of homes in developed nations, and this technology can be adapted to track elderly people's well-being or just spot suspicious activity at home. Researchers identified a few issues with the method, including peculiar body positions and problems with 3 or more persons in the same location, which can be fixed by collecting more training data for AI algorithms. In future work, we also plan to collect multi-layout data and extend our work to predict 3D human body shapes from Wi-Fi signals. We believe that the advanced capability of dense perception could empower the Wi-Fi device as a privacy-friendly, illumination-invariant, and cheap human sensor compared to RBG cameras and LiDARs. There are severe privacy concerns that might arise if the technology were to become widely utilized, even while experts stated it could be used for good, such as monitoring the well-being of old people without disturbing them with cameras or detecting break-ins by burglars. Wi-Fi perception technology would be the icing on the cake in a world where facial recognition, doorbell cameras, drones, and hackable IoT devices like indoor smart cameras are everywhere and constantly risk our privacy and security. It might be misused by cybercriminals and big data, and it might cause users to lose faith in their basic Wi-Fi routers. It's not brand new to be able to find people without using pricey LiDAR, light detection and ranging, sensors or cameras. In 2013, MIT researchers discovered a means to get over barriers using mobile phone signals, and in 2018, a different MIT team developed a simpler version of the method previously mentioned. A LiDAR sensor, which is a pulsed laser beam, is built into the iPhone 12 Pro and later models as well as the 2020 iPad Pro. This sensor is primarily used for augmented reality, AR, applications. Download the free Polycam software from the App Store to see what 3D object mapping looks like.